Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for business. Start by defining clear goals and identifying your ideal customer so every post has purpose. Pick one or two platforms and learn their format, then create a realistic posting schedule you can maintain. Focus on value, not volume, and measure results with simple metrics so you can adjust strategy and improve over time naturally. Build a content strategy that serves your audience and feels manageable. Define 3 to 5 content pillars that echo your brand and solve customer problems, then brainstorm formats like short videos, carousel tips, and quotes. Schedule a balance of educational, promotional, and community posts to nurture relationships. Repurpose top performers into new formats and use simple analytics to see what resonates so you can focus on what truly moves the needle. Grow your presence by engaging genuinely and testing paid options thoughtfully. Respond to comments and messages, collaborate with niche creators, and host occasional live Q and sessions to deepen connection. When using ads, start with a small budget to test headlines, creatives, and audience segments, then scale winners. Always check analytics to learn what content drives leads and sales, and iteratively refine your approach for steady, sustainable growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.